R.K. Anand has slammed the BJP-led state government for not able to convene a special assembly session. R.K. Anand made the statement during a press conference held at his Kwakatel Akhamlekai residence today. R.K. Anand said that the state have been going backward ever since it merged India. He also raised an alarm on the miscommunication between Kokomi and the state government with regard to Naga Peace Accord. Lamding Educate Welfare Association Lewa Lamding Khuman Themleikai, Thoubal district today distributed monthly pension of Rs 600 to 24 differently abled persons of 5 different localities under Thoubal district. This was initiated as a part of the pension scheme, which will continue for 1 year. Federation of Haumi today organized a one-day discussion program on the theme Know Your Identity at the Community Hall of Nongdam in Imphal East. Talking at the program, Secretary General of Haumi Federation, Yazing Bikisi, stressed on the objective of the program as spreading an awareness on the responsibilities of the masses in sorting out the differences prevailing amongst the Tangkhul community and Meiteis in the region. Northeast Frontier Railway Lamding Division has emerged as the top performer in Indian Railways for the month of October as per report released recently. The Indian Railways had monitored the functioning among its various divisions according to a set of indicators which had been termed as key performance indicators. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that a person of no religion should be worried about NRC in Rajya Sabha today. He added that the NRC exercise was monitored by the Supreme Court and no religion has been targeted or isolated during the NRC exercise. The Home Minister also said that the government will provide asylum to people of all religions and the exercise of NRC will be carried out in the entire country.